the structure of a dollar index on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we have a critical support here holding price, and if you look towards the close of New York session yesterday, EU, GU, AU, user made a reversal, UJ, EU sold, AU sold, EU sold, GU sold, user the same, UJ bought towards the close of the market on Friday. As a result of price dipping itself into daily rejection, this is a daily time frame. So this is support structure, take away the week, and you see series. And towards the close of the market, you have seen a clean reversal for EU, GU, AU, UJ. So what I want to see now is a potential pullback, if that will be possible. There is a probability, if you look again on the line close, you'll see that there is a break of structure here. That's now your current supply roof. So what I want to see is a pushback into that structure, a broken supply roof, broken demand floor should act as a supply roof now. So I want to see price push back into the structure. So we could firm up, go here, and possibly break the structure, or from there, price will break out. So it's a make or break situation. If price comes here, break out of structure, that's a buy. And if this happens, then tighten up GU, EU, AU for sell. If this happens, that's what you get. So here we have here strength of structure, resistance becomes support and break of structure, resistance becomes support and break of structure. We have here support structure after break of two resistance structure 1, resistance structure 2. This is break of structure, and this is the retest. Now we have break of a demand floor turning here to supply roof. So technically, if this floor here holds, this support structure 1, and this support structure 2, this is resistance structure, and this is a resistance structure. So technically, you've been seeing a whole lot of weak rejection on this floor. Close of Friday, EU, AU, UJ, user, they made a reversal. Gold made a reversal. When price came here, we saw gold selling, we saw EU selling, we saw AU selling, we saw GU selling, we saw user selling, UJ buy. So let's look at it on a broader scale. From broader scale, we look at the structure. So if price falls out from there, is a support structure 1, support structure 2, support structure 3, support structure 4. You take away the wicks, take away the line chart, you'll see the reaction exactly on that floor. You can see it, look at the touches. So that's a descending trend line acting as dynamic resistance running from 2022. Since 2022, the dollar has been on a descending trend line acting as a dynamic support. Every time price touch it, there is always a monetary intervention to buy back dollar. And the last time when we came to it, there was a monetary intervention through the Federal Reserve, and we've seen rally. Look at it, respected successfully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a technical demand floor acting as a bait for buyback, and you see strong monetary intervention on every touch on that floor. So from where we are now, if we break out, that will technically pull price into key areas. I expect that buyers are going to put up a fight here as a dollar index. The dollar bulls are going to put up fight there. So dollar bulls are going to put up fight at this level. If we have a breakout from there to return here to retest May low. So at this level, I see a potential reversal. If we have a change in monetary policy or change in currency divergence, we could see that price could pull back and maybe return again or drop out from there. And let's look at the validity of the structure. Every time a structure is drawn, you look at the validity. So the market is calibrated, it's already priced. There are people who know where market will buy and where market will sell. And you can see here, the floor gave the roof. So that's a technical strategy there that the market is already priced. So I also know where to sell dollar index if price breaks out from the current resistance structure. So this will become a current supply roof acting as a dynamic resistance. Now we have a dynamic floor and you're looking for dynamic resistance. So in the future, if price comes here, here is going to be your supply roof acting as dynamic resistance. So as the market opens, I want to see what price does with the rejection on this floor. If price will move back, a pushback on a daily time frame will be watched. What I want to see is a technical breakout from this structure. There is an M structure here, and all we are seeing here is the respect of the neckline of the M structure at this level. This is a double top structure, M structure, breakout of the neckline. Over price already played with it, but it came back to align with the M structure, and that is why we are having here. So if we break out from 99,986, this will be our buy signal, a breakout from this roof. If price breaks out from here, then be ready to sell EU, sell GU, sell AU. That's what I'm going to do. For now, I don't want to say whether I will sell EU, I will sell AU or not. I want a confirmation. I want that dollar has already regained its bullish impulse. If dollar breaks out from here and price returns here on retest, you're going to sell EU, GU, UJ buy, AU sell, user, you do the same. NZD USD, you do the same, all in favor of dollar. So, but for now, the market it's undecisive. For now, it's in a bearish net. Price has already formed a double top. an M structure here. So I also want price to go back to 100.520. At 100.520, we could see momentum. We could see momentum at that level. So this is dollar index, a key trading barometer, very important. If you see what happened towards the close of New York, when the dollar index rejected, and we had about 1 hour, 2 hours buy candle, gold retraced. We saw gold retrace at 4,396. So that was the correlation. And we saw the same thing with silver, and we saw a quick drop in the value of EU, GU, AU, USAR. They did the same thing. So bye for now.